everyone, this is Priya. You are watching the Leviosa Reader. Today's video is exclusively for Potterheads. Folks who doesn't like Harry Potter or who hasn't read or watched Harry Potter at all. I'm going to talk about Pottermore Present books. Before getting into Pottermore Present series books, let's get into what is Pottermore. Pottermore was the official Harry Potter website created by J.K. Rowling. Why do I say was? Because right now it is rebranded as wizardingworld.com. Pottermore website had writings of J.K. Rowling, not the published ones, but the ones she did not publish, those writings of hers, articles and various news about the Harry Potter world. Once we created our profiles, we are like witches and wizards. They sorted us into Hogwarts and Livermore houses. They gave us the wands and they gave us whatever the patterns that we are going to take form. Pottermore website was like a portkey between the real world and the Harry Potter world for us Potterheads. Pottermore Presents was a series of 3 books that dig deeper into Harry Potter universe that are published by the Pottermore website. If Harry Potter series is the main course, then the Pottermore Present books are like those yummy desserts that you will have towards the end of your lunch. There are 3 books in the Pottermore Present series and they are only available in ebook version. If you have Kindle Unlimited subscription, then you can read these books for free. We all know platform 9 3 and quarters, but if you think that's the only Wizarding World platform in King's Cross Station, you are wrong. I know about platform 7.5 in King's Cross Station and you know what train uses the platform? Because I read Pottermore. Do you know who are Hackstels? Professor McGonagall is one of the few Hackstels that we know of. Do you know modern map was specially enchanted to hurl insults only at Professor Snape? If others are trying to open it, it just simply stays blank. There is a giant squid in the lake that allows students to tickle its tentacles, but only on special occasion. Do you know what's that occasion? If you want to know about the answers to the questions I asked, as well as other interesting facts about Hogwarts, then you have to read this book. Short Stories from Hogwarts of Power, Politics and Pesky Poltergeist. This book throws more light on the darker side of the wizarding world. Basically, it gives more details into everything we hate about the wizarding world. There is this whole chapter dedicated to this Umbridge woman. You will know more and more about this woman and you will hate her more. Also in the chapter about Peeves the Poltergeist, there is like funny incident where they try to capture him and how he escaped. You have to read this book to know more about this dark side of these wizards or the wizarding world, I would say. Short stories from Hogwarts of heroism, hardship and dangerous hobbies. As opposed to the earlier book I was talking about, this has details of all the wizards that we love. It gives detailed insights into the life of Professor McGonagall, Professor Lupin, Professor Trelawney as well as Kettleburn. It's so cool to see their details in a biodata format in the first page of every chapter. Their birthday, their wand, their Hogwarts houses, their patronus, their special abilities. You see it all in a biodata format. Let me boast some more about this book too. Do you know the process to become an animagus? And when animagus process goes wrong, it mostly results in a half human and half animal form, and there is no known method to revert that the half human and half animal form. Until I meet you guys with another video, it's bye from Priya.